Hello everybody, this is Teacher Sam and this is going to be our third video lesson in math. I hope that with the first two videos that we had, you were able to learn how to add numbers with regrouping and how to add numbers without regrouping. So today's lesson is all about adding three numbers. You can open your book on page 26 and 27, your book with color, and you can follow up through these different steps on how to add three numbers. I'm going to teach you this today, so you can follow through. Adding two numbers is quite easy now for you. You can add 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4, or 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8, or 5 plus 5 equals to 10. But what about if you got three numbers? You can look at the screen and you can find three numbers here, 5, 6, and 4. If you're going to add these three numbers, how are you going to do it? So it would make it easier for you to add these numbers. So that's our lesson for today. If you can see on the left side of the screen, you would see the different steps on how we should do or how we should add these three numbers. Okay, step 1, make 10 first. How do we make 10? You can look at these numbers. You have number 5, 6, and 4. Which of these numbers, when added together, would make 10? Will 5 plus 4 make 10? I don't think so. How about 5 plus 6? Would it make 10? Still no. How about 6 and 4? Would this make into 10? Yes. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So we can write down 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So going back to the steps is step 1, make 10 first. Did we make 10? Yes, we did. How did we make 10? By adding 6 plus 4. So let me write it down here. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Step 2, add the other numbers. What are the other numbers here? We can look at these numbers again, and we can find number 5 and number 10. Step 2 says that we have to add these numbers. So let's just add them. So 5 plus 10 equals to 15. So 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Now, did we find the answer? Yes, we did. This 15 here and 15 here, we've got the same answer. Here is another example. 3 plus 7 plus 4. First step, make 10 first. So let's look at this number. Which number would make into 10? Will 3 plus 4 make into 10? Nope. How about 3 plus 7? Yes, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So we can write down 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Step 1, make 10 first. Did we make 10? Yes, we did. We added 3 plus 7 equals to 10. Let me write it down here. 3 plus 7 equals to 10. Step 2, add the other numbers. What are the other numbers? So we have 10 and we have 4. Let's write down 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Did we do step 2? Yes, we did. Let's take on this one. So 10 plus 4 equals to 14. So did we find the answer? Yes, we find the answer. We have 14 here and we have 14 here. Here is another example. But with this example, you will find there are more steps than the other first two examples that we have. First step, make 10 first. Can we find any number here that when we add together would make into 10? 5 plus 7, is it equal to 10? No. How about 5 plus 6? Is it equal to 10? Still no, it's more than 10. So what do? If we cannot find any number that would make into 10, then we have to create one. We have to make one. We can either choose any of these numbers. We can choose 5, 7, or 6 to start. In my case, I like to choose number 5. So 5 plus what number is equal to 10? 5 plus how many more to make 10? I think the answer is 5. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. But where do we get number 5? This 5. Where do we get this number 5? We can get this number 5 from either number 7 or number 6. Let me show you how we should do it. We already have number 5 here, but we need 5 more to make 10. So, to do that, we have to get the number bond of number 7. What's the number bond for 7? We have 5 and 2. Why 5 and 2? Because we need 5 more to make 10. So we have to make the number bond 5 and 2. So now we have 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. That is step 1. Make 10 first. Did we make 10? Yes, we did. We take it. Step 2. Add the other numbers. What are the other numbers? We have number 2 and we have number 6. So let's add them. 2 plus 6 equals to 8. So did we do step 2? Yes, we did. So let's tick this box. Step 3, add all the numbers. So we have, what are the numbers? First, we've got 10 and we've got 8. So let's write down 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Did we do step 3? Yes, we did. Let's take this. So we have the answer here, which is 18. Do we have the same answer here? Yes, we have the same answer. Another example. 7 plus 7 plus 8, which is equal to 22. We cannot find any number here that would make into 10. So let's make one. I'll choose 8. So I can write down 8 plus what number is equal to 10? How many more do I need to make 10? I already have 8. I think I need 2 more to make 10. So 8 plus 2 equals to 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So where do I get number 2? I can get number 2 from this 7, or I can get number 2 from this 7. I think I'll choose the other 7, the number 2 7. So let's make number bond for 7. So we have 5 and 2. Why 5 and 2? Because we need 2 to make 10. That's why we have 5 and 2. Now that we have 5 and 2, we can add 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. This one. Okay, did we do step 1? Yes, we already make 10. So let's tick this box. Step 2, add the other numbers. What are the other numbers? Here. The other numbers are 7 and 5. 7 plus 5, let's add. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Now, 12 If we look for the number band for 12, we have 10 and 2. Let's see. 12. The number band for 12 is 10 and 2. Right? Yes. Now, we know that the number band for 12 is 10 and 2. So we can add the numbers. We have the 10 in this step 1. 10 plus 10, the number band of 12, plus 2. Let me write it down. 10 plus 10 plus 2. Where do we get these two numbers? 10 and 2. We get it by having the number band of 12. This 12 here. So the number band for 12 is 10 and 2. So we have 10 from here, and then we have 10 plus 2 from here. So 10 plus 10 equals 2, 20, plus 2 equals 2, 22. The answer here is 22. Can you follow it? Here is the last example. 6 plus 7 plus 8. Let's write the number. 6 plus 7 plus 8. We cannot find any number that would make into 10, so we have to create one. I like to use number 8 again. This number 8 here. So 8 plus what number is equal to 10? I think I need 2 to make 10. So that 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Where do I get number 2? I think I'd like to get number 2 from 7. So we can create number band for 7. We have 5 and 2. Now that we have made the number band, we have 2 plus 8 equals to 10. And then we can add the other numbers. What are the other numbers? We have 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. We can add all the numbers. We have the first number, which is 10, plus 10 plus 1. Where did I get this number? 10 and 1. I get it by having the number band of 11. What's the number band for 11? 10 and 1. That's why 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Now, we can add all the numbers together. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. 20 plus 1 equals to 21. So the answer is 21. Can you follow? If yes, here are some things that you can try at home. You can practice at home. We've got number 1 to number 10. You can write it down in your notebook and then try to answer it. If you're done, you can open your workbook, the one without color, open on page 25 and 26 and do it. And once you are finished, you can send me a photo of your work. Bye.